I sing songs every day.
I sang songs yesterday.
She sleeps early every week.
She slept early last week.
She sells books every week.
She sold books last week.
I take a bus every day.
I took a bus yesterday.
She finds coins every week.
She found coins last week.
He answers questions every week.
He answered questions last week.
I paint a picture every day.
I painted a picture yesterday.
She receives orders every day.
She received orders this week.
I think about it every day.
I thought about it yesterday.
I build a table every day.
I built a table yesterday. Activity: understanding the present, simple, and past tense.
1. Fill in the blank, I. A bus yesterday. A. Take B, took, C. Taking. Two. Choose the correct past tense form. What is the past tense of sell? A. Sold. B. Sold. C. Selling. Three. True or false. She finds coins every week. The past tense is she found coins last week. Four. Multiple choice. What is the past tense of think? A. Thinked. B. Thought. C. Thinking. Very well. Congratulations! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson.
Thanks for watch!